nigga do
Oh, irú wàhálà wo dédé báyìí? Láti ìgbà tí mo ti wà níbí báyìí, mi ò rí mọ́tò. Oh God, táìmù dẹ̀ ti ń lọ. Òní lọ́jọ́ ìbí rẹ, ó kú àṣeyẹ, ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ á ṣe púpọ̀, Oluwatosin o. Òní lọ́jọ́ ìbí rẹ, ó kú àṣeyẹ, ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ á ṣe púpọ̀ o. Kò sí àní-àní, kò sí complain. Mo mọ̀ pé ní March 16 location tó ṣúọ̀ jù tí mo ti lè rí oúnjẹ jẹ òun náà ni bí birthday Oluwatosin Warrior Dasset Film Production. That is the best location. Ibi tí mo ti lè rí iyán àti ọ̀fadà ráìsì jẹ lẹ́ni nìyẹn. Dàbí fẹ́ lo restaurant kan wà ní ibi Fálànà yẹn. Yá ibẹ̀ náà ni yẹ fèsì ibẹ̀ jàre.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, na where you dey go?
Ojú ilé o. Okay, I dey go Fálànà High School. How much? Make I know the price before you carry me because I no wan wahala o. How much you wan collect? Go Fálànà High School.
Enter. Just pay 2,000 naira, go carry you reach the place where you dey go.
Bye. Don't worry. For just Fálànà High School, you say you wan collect 2,000 naira. Oga, if you no gree 1,000, make dey go. Na buy there I wan go do there. I no go do business. Na gbenu seafood I wan go eat. If you gree 1,000, make I enter.
Let us go. Make I just manage am for you.
AC no dey inside your car. And you talk say make I pay 1,000 naira. Oga, why now? Just down to 500 naira.
With just 1,000, you still wan collect AC? If you wan take AC, your money go be 10,000 naira.
I dey play. I just dey play. I don go do business. I don tell you before. I dey go Oluwatosin birthday. And if you wan go too, you fit follow me o. Food go dey there surplus.
Oga, pay me my money time. I dey go. No time to check time.
Hey, I don over too happy, Oga. Because of Oluwatosin birthday, I don forget my purse at home. I don enter am today. Gosh. Don't worry. If you do am like this, wait for me. Make I go inside. Maybe I go see person borrow me money.
Which kind bad luck you be sef? Okay, no problem. I know people like you very well. Make I follow you enter that place. If I come see say you dey play me, I go shook you with bottle. Make I follow you enter. Make I know maybe true that they do birthday.
Shebi I tell you, say that they do birthday here. Shebi you don see people now. No be say I dey play now. I forget my purse. Me too, I no be poor man. Money dey my hand very well. So my sister never come here now. So we go wait for am. Even if we wait here till tomorrow, if my sister Oluwatosin come, he go pay you 1 million. I trust her pa. Ọ̀dọ́mọdé olówó, àwọn tó náwó oògùn, àwọn tó ní fíìmù. Wo, come sit down, come eat. Agbẹnu sóúnjẹ, enjoy àwọn boys. Bí by lẹ́ni, a lot fàájì ni. Come sit down, ọ̀rẹ́. No work again.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, no be food I come eat here o. Na because say you talk say if Oluwatosin your sister come, if he pay me 1 million, that is why I sit down. And that money be cocoa. I must collect my money, even though I eat, even though I drink here. My money, they very, very important.
No. You don't have problem, like seriously. If I tell you, say, person sure, even last week, if I still remember, Oluwatosin, he sent me 2 million. Say make I just go use and eat fish. Like seriously, now 2 million I take eat fish last week. I trust her. I trust her pa. If you call me yourself 1 million small, if you couple yourself, if you do well, if he give you 10 million. But wait for me. I won't go eat myself. I go inside that or later. They come. Relax. No get problem. As ọmọ ọgbọ́n, mo ti jápa. Èmi ò tí ì ṣú ọ. Bí a tó sì gan ṣe máa padà wá síbí. I will sit down there. Me, I don't go. Mo ti jápa ń tèmi. Tán bá dẹ̀ fún ẹ lóúnjẹ fún ẹ bọ́n dẹ̀ fún ẹ bọ́. Birthday náà ń ṣe. Mo ṣàṣọ pé èyí ni 16 March. Sunday ni wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n máa ṣe birthday yẹn. So jòkó sí ẹ̀rọ yẹn. Tán bá dé wá gbọ́dọ̀ fún ẹ. Àmọ́ ní ti mú not sure. God bless you. Stop now. You just won't come out like that. I beg now. Just subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Just click that button. When you subscribe, then anytime we drop another video like this, you see I'm sharply. Please now, you dey watch and you dey laugh, you no even subscribe. I beg, I just dey beg you and try to comment. Your comments go give me more moral to do more. Please. That is not only what I want to talk you. Don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming back very soon. Stealing is not good. 419 is not good. Okay? God bless you. See you later.